In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate objects and create animations on Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a bit of flair to your designs, or simply make them more engaging, learning how to animate within Canva could be an enlightening experience. So let's dive in and explore how you can bring your static designs to life with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to open your Canva project where you wish to add the animation. With your project open, click on the object you want to animate. This is the initial step that sets the stage for your animation journey, so make sure you are clear on which element of your design you want to give that dynamic touch. Whether it's an image, text, or any other graphic element, selecting the right object is crucial. Next, look for the Animate option on the toolbar that appears once your object is selected. Clicking on Animate will unveil a variety of animations you can choose from. This is your gateway to creativity, where Canva provides you with several playful and professional animations, from simple fades to more complex dynamic movements. Explore the options and see how they change the feel of your design instantaneously. Once you've opened the animation panel, it's time to choose the animation that best fits your design style and the message you want to convey. Scroll through the list and experience how each animation effect alters the object's presence in your design. This step is all about experimenting and finding that perfect motion that complements your project, enhancing the thematic effect, or drawing the viewer's attention as you intend. For instance, if you want to create a soft transition effect, you might want to choose the blur animation. Clicking on different animations like blur allows you to sample how it applies to your selected object, giving you a live preview and an immediate sense of whether it's the right fit. If you're using Canva Pro, you have an added advantage. With Pro, you can adjust the speed of your animations to match the pacing needs of your design. Speed adjustments can lend a sense of urgency or relaxed grace to your animation, opening up more nuanced ways to express your creative vision. Whether you want a quick burst of energy or a lingering effect, dragging the speed slider lets you fine-tune the animation's timing precisely. This wraps up our simple yet powerful steps to animate objects in Canva. By incorporating animated elements, your Canva designs can become not only visually appealing but also more interactive and engaging. These animations can help in highlighting key messages or simply add a fun twist. So go ahead and experiment with different animations to elevate your visuals to the next level. Enjoy creating with Canva and bring those designs to life.